Hi, I'm Julie, the keeper of my home. Welcome to my channel. Today's Monday and I have some cleaning to do. I like to call this my after the weekend day. So come follow along with me. lot of fun. I'm exhausted. I don't know about you. I got a lot done. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I do hope you come back. Subscribe below. It doesn't cost a thing. There's no catch. It's free, I promise. If you have a home, these are all things that will pertain to you. We'll be looking at some organizing because I know I have a lot of that to do, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you out there have some organizing to do as well. I'm going to cover holiday decorating, and I also have a little secret project coming up in September. That's really exciting for me. I don't want to hint around too much, so you'll be helping me get ready and get my house ready for that little adventure. I cannot wait, and I love fall. Fall is my favorite, all-time favorite time of the year, so really excited about that. But we'll cover a lot of things, budgeting and menu planning and cooking. So this has been really exciting for me, and I hope it has for you as well. So come back and join me again. And remember to bring your friends and like this video below, right next to the subscribe button that you're gonna hit. It's free, remember? So until next time.